Hi, this is SupAut, supporting your supporting partner in teaching autistic kids in the classroom. This project mainly focuses on giving a helping hand in supporting the educators in SEN education, specifically teaching autistic kids. This application support has three main features. One is correspondence, which basically deals with done queries, their concerns, and this can be a very frustrating task. So support automates that interaction, making it easy in correspondence. The second thing is administration. While managing an inclusive classroom, providing emotional support can be very taxing for one person. Managing all of that and managing the classroom, which takes a lot of time and energy, can is done by the support system to automate the whole process. The next thing is visualization. So while managing the entire classroom, having an overview visualization of how the classroom is run, the statistics of how each child performs can be very taxing and at the same time very important at the end of a hard day. So here are some relevant statistics. We are using a chatbot to connect with the students and build the chatbot through that. So we know WhatsApp is very popular. There is 2 billion worldwide users. Another thing that made us go in this field of preparing the project is the high diagnosis of autism. 1 in 44 are diagnosed with autism. That is a very high statistic. And finally, according to research, 74% of teachers feel overwhelmed while they are teaching in a SEN education classroom. So here are the three main features: communication bot, preparing IEP report, and dashboard. So like I mentioned earlier, automating the communication process with the student is a main feature. Second is preparing IEP reports. We know preparing IEP reports are very important, but at the same time, it can take a lot of time. Making that process is another feature. The third is dashboard. Having a pleasant dashboard to view the entire stats of how the students perform along with each grade and seeing their progress is very important. That's why SupAut has the dashboard feature. So if you're talking about the dashboard feature, it has a very good correspondence. It has a sleek design. It's a one-stop LMS partner which you can add students, view their progress, add assignments, and it is a relatively simple navigation to navigate through all the progress. So who are our target market? Our target market are SEN educators who are special education need teachers who they are a main target so that we can make the work for them easier. Second target is ASD students in the autism spectrum disorder. So the chatbot specifically interaction and attending to all their queries. When it comes to our competitor analysis, Cough Drop is a amazing product in market, which has the features of a chatbot and helps to visualize. It answers the student's question. In terms of a student management, Cough Drop is a really good application in the market. At the same time, Frontline Education is another application in the market which helps in the teacher managing the classroom. So what are our competitive advantages? Distinctness, we are exactly focusing on SEN teachers who are teaching in special education needs. So the features are specially curated for that specific audience. It's a synthetic product. Basically, it combines the features of a dashboard and a chatbot like we saw in Frontline and Cough Drop. Those two features, the best of those two are combined into this product. It's minimalistic. It doesn't have all the features that is in every LMS. It mainly curated and designed specifically for our target audience, making the navigation and use of it is very simple. Talking about navigation, it's very lightweight and it only focuses on the core features. When it comes to the technologies, we use various technologies to make this application run. For the front end, there's React. We use the Core UI library, HTML and CSS, of course. In terms of database and hosting, we are using Firebase. Has various of the products: Firebase extension, Firebase file store, Firebase hosting, Firebase itself. In terms of version control system and providing a CI/CD pipeline, we use GitHub and GitHub Actions respectively. We use Twilio for the automating process of having the entire student interaction automated and to run it flawlessly. So if we come to the application architecture, we have the student and the teacher where the teacher enters the question details, and the teacher interacts with the dashboard side of SupAut, while the student interacts with the chatbot side of SupAut. The teacher can add details, add the students and question details, and through the dashboard view the details and view the students' responses to the progress and download the IEP report to which covers the skill evaluation. When it comes to the student side, the student can ask questions and answer to the assigned questions. Those answers are stored in the database where the chatbot makes the entire flow process like a human interaction. In case the student have difficulty in understanding the question or understanding any concepts, the chatbot can either visualize, break down, or rephrase the statements the student says when it does not fit social conversing standards. What is the future for SupAut? We plan on adding more extensions to support multiple subjects. Currently, SupAut only focuses on a single subject on the assumption that the teacher teaches a single subject. When it comes to customization, we would like the dashboard to be more customizable along with the chatbot based on each subject and the way the subject is. Generalization, we want to add this in a market use so that teachers around the world, regardless of which subject they teach, which level of education, can easily use. Thank you, and I hope you enjoyed the presentation.